Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a keto vanilla muffins. So let me get started. I got a lot to do today. It's a busy day on my birthday. All right. In the bowl I have 3/4 cup of monk fruit sugar, and then I have a half a stick of unsalted butter, and I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I just added 2 eggs. That's 1/4 of a cup of milk. I'm gonna use a half a cup of milk altogether in this recipe. Okay, that's a half a cup of whole milk. I added 1 1/4 cup of almond flour. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 of oat fiber. Okay, here's my 1/4 of oat fiber, a half a tablespoon of baking powder. I just added a tablespoon sour cream. I forgot to add it to the liquid ingredients. So I just added it now. Let me add some of the almond flour to this bowl. I'm going to add about 1/3 of it. And then I'm going to beat it. Okay, I'm going to add some more. Okay, the muffin mix is ready. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place everything in the muffin pan. I usually put about 2 scoops of this with this spatula. A little bit more, it depends on how much I have left. Now this recipe will make 12 muffins, so I will have to cook another batch after I cook this one. Okay, I just take my finger with the keto muffins, just kind of pat them down a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna place them in a 350 degrees oven for about 20 minutes. Video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful